Hello and welcome to another iSaham video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how you can check whether your CDS account is dormant or active. Now you might have a couple of questions like, why is my CDS account dormant? Well, your CDS account might be dormant because first, there are still shares within the account, and second, there hasn't been any credit or debit entries in the last 36 months to your account. Of course, Bursa Malaysia would put this account under dormant as a security measure for long-term investors. If your CDS account is dormant, you are still allowed to perform all CDS transactions except for withdrawing your money and actual trade activities, so you cannot buy or sell shares. However, you can still apply for IPOs using the account. So you can still use your CDS number and purchase IPOs through MITI, CIMB Clicks or Maybank to you. Now let's move on to actually checking whether your account is dormant or not. First, you're going to have to be on the Bursa website. This is the main page. Head on over to Products and Services. Go all the way to Central Depository System, which is CDS, and move down 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 steps down to dormant accounts. And lastly, this is how you can check whether your account is dormant. Select the type of ID. You can either use your new IC, old IC, your passport number, or maybe your registration number if you still keep that, or your authority card number. Of course, let's just make it easy and simple. I'll just take my IC number. So what you're going to have to do here is follow the sample format given on the right hand side. Very easy, very simple. Okay, and you're going to have to click on submit. And the answer is no closed dormant accounts found. If your account was dormant, it would pop out over here with your name, and of course you're going to have to reactivate it after that. How you can do that is actually apply for a reactivation of your CDS account. I'll put it in the link below so that you can click on that and you can send it over to Bursa Malaysia yourself. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching and happy trading.